Hi, this is Ram Gopal Verma, Insurance Surveyor. In this video, we want to explain what is the importance of insurance policy. In case of a burglary claim, insurance policy, there are certain things mentioned in the insurance policy. First is the address. So, in such a case, what is more important that what address has been mentioned in the insurance policy. Suppose you got a factory or office or shop. So, insurance surveyor would first see whether the loss where has taken place is covered in the policy or not. The address is completely matched. Suppose you mentioned shop number 2 has been covered in the insurance policy, but the loss has taken place at shop number 3 which you have recently purchased, whereas you are having shop number 2 also. So in such case, if the loss is taken place shop number 3, then we will simply say this loss is not covered under the policy because insurance policy company is responsible for losses at shop number 2 only. Suppose you have shifted the whole shop number 2 to a new premises and you have not informed the insurance company at the new premises the loss has taken place. You have a policy, but the policy does not cover the new premises. In such a case, the insurance company would simply disown the liability. So it is very important that the loss has taken place at the place which is mentioned in the insurance policy also. These two completely match. And what is the address that you will be mentioning on the FIR also, that you will be mentioning to the in your letter also, that should be verifiable from your maybe your property papers or rent receipt or different things, your VAT registration, income tax paper, sales tax paper, from all these places the address would be verified. So it is very important that the address where the loss has taken place should completely match with the address which is mentioned in the insurance policy. That is number one. Number two we come, there is a date mentioned in the insurance policy. Normally it is for a period, say from 29 December to 28 December, like that. So in that case, it is very important to find out the loss has taken place within the policy period and it has been discovered accordingly. Now suppose a loss has taken place before 28th of December when you took the policy and you came to discover it after 28th December. In such a case, it is very difficult to prove that the loss has taken place within the policy period. So one should be very careful that policy should be taken from year on year without any break, and you should enjoy complete faith and trust of the insurance company by taking proper insurance policy. So their date is the second part which is very important in a policy. Third, the items mentioned in the policy, that what is the coverage, what items have been covered. Suppose you are mentioning that I am dealing in cement or I am dealing in rice. So in case you are mentioning rice, you are dealing in, and that is the item which is covered in the policy. So if burglary has taken place of some other item, which for example computer peripherals, you started dealing in some other different items, say cement, which you are not mentioned in the policy. In that case, insurance company can say, look, I am responsible only for rice. I am not responsible for your other items. So one has to be very careful what items are mentioned in the policy, what coverage you have taken, what do you intend to take. So this is very important that in the policy, whatever is mentioned should completely tally with the items stolen. Suppose, now being a chartered lawyer, we know in case of a factory, there may be raw material, there may be finished goods, there may be semi-finished goods, there may be packing items, different type of items. So in the policy, one should take care that it should be clearly mentioned that I am taking insurance policy for all my raw material, finished goods, semi-finished goods, packing material, everything I am covering. So that even if some expensive packing goods or semi-finished goods have been stolen, yes, the coverage is there. This is what an insurance surveyor would check immediately on arrival at the site of loss, whether it is covered in the policy. In case you say that, okay, it's not possible for me to give the name of the items which is covered in the policy, you can say, okay, all items related to the insurance business, that needs to be covered, whether it's rice or ghadi or any cement or any computer, all items related to my business. The moment you use a general nomenclature, then it is very easy for an insured to take coverage, or then your profit and loss account and balance sheet would also mention every item. Fine. In such a case, insurance company would completely accept your claims and they would honor your claim. But the wording is very important, what is mentioned in the policy and what is stolen. They should completely match. Fine. This is Ram Gopal Verma, Chartered Accountant, and this is all that is mentioned in my book, Insure and Be Secure also. And you can refer to this book, and I am giving this material out of my 30 years of experience as insurance surveyor. Thank you very much. This is Ram Gopal Verma signing off. Thank you.